everyone. Welcome back to my channel MatheMagic by Varuna. Now in today's video, we will understand how to multiply two integers. These integers can be of any sign, positive or negative. Also, we can use the rules to apply for multiplying more than two integers. Now let us understand the rules. Now the first rule says if we have to find the product of two integers, now these integers have unlike sign. Unlike sign means that one integer may be positive and the other integer may be negative. They are of different signs. So how do we find their product? We simply find the product of their values regardless of their signs. And then what happens? We give a minus sign to the answer, to the product. For example, if I have one integer is -5 and I am multiplying it to 4. Now what happens is we will simply multiply 5 and 4 regardless of their signs. Now the answer over here 5 times 4 is 20, and in the answer what do? We give the answer as minus sign. Now let us take another example. Say if I take 8 and I am multiplying it to -3. One is a positive sign and the other is a negative sign number, integer. What do? We simply find the product. 8 3s are 24 and we give the answer the minus sign. Very simple. Now let us move on to the next rule. This rule 2 says that to find the product of two integers with same signs. Now, these integers can be of positive sign together, both of them, or they can be negative sign, both of them can be negative. Now, what do? To find the product, we simply multiply the values and then give the answer the plus sign. For example, what do? We say 5 multiplied by 4. Over here, both of them are positive. Simply we multiply and we get answer as 20. Now, if I take -5 as one integer and the other integer as -4. Now, both of them have same sign, whether it is negative or positive. Over here, it's negative. Both of them have same sign. What do? We simply multiply them. 5 4s are 20 and the answer gets a positive sign. So we have two rules for multiplication of integers. One rule is applicable when the integers have different signs. They are of unlike signs. In that case, the answer has a negative sign. Whereas in the other one, when both the integers have same sign, whether it is positive or it is negative, here the answer gets a positive sign. I hope the rules of multiplication of integers is clear. In the next video, we will meet and understand properties of multiplication of integers. Stay tuned. Thank you.